Okay, here we go. We got the Pro Series grill.
It's a Members Mark Pro Series grill.
And I can't believe that I was able to assemble it all by myself.
They're high grade, high quality.
It has a huge surface area.
It has a sear option on the side burner that is absolutely fabulous.
It has this glass right here, right in the front. So you can see right into the grill. You can see the fire. You can see wherever you're cooking.
Temperature control is amazing.
Kept 3 different items at 3 different temperatures, and it actually cooked everything perfectly.
I have not burned anything since having it.
It makes grilling a lot more compatible, even for those that are not good grillers.
Just set it and you can almost forget it.
Easy to use, easy to clean.
Overall, it was fantastic.
I love it.
Our family has really enjoyed this grill. Know you're looking for a grill anyway, so you might as well go to Sam's because you know that Members Mark stuff is good.
You'll love it. Go get one.